Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for link price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, starting on the daily chart here, where we are looking for a finished input here as 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, finishing a wave A or a wave 1. After this, we are looking into a long WX and a Y here, where your wave Y is kind of a zigzag, but a very long one, which is of course a perfect for a wave Y character. So in this wave Y, we have finished potentially a wave 2 or a wave B, which it has a higher potential. After this wave Y, we are starting to look at 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 waves for a wave 1 here, where we have already reached an impulse, perfect impulse, and after that we are looking at 3 corrective waves. What you would like to see, of course, is a symbol of a bullish scenario, or a signal of a bullish scenario, where you want to move, of course, higher for your wave C or for your wave 3 in case you have a 2 here. Now, of course, inside this signal that we are looking at, there is something very weird as well unfolding. As you can see, we have already a very pump, of course, towards the upside, of course, due to the crypto market now, which is booming so much, of course, and since the elections of the US president. So, can we consider this as 1, 2, 1, 2? Because this diagonal is already invalidated. We cannot have a wave 5 bigger than your wave 3, right? This is very longer than your wave 3s, therefore it is an invalidation for your diagonal. And the only way to be bullish here is double 1, 2. And in that case scenario, those two doesn't look like impulses, right? I mean, if we want to take here as a 1, 2, and then 3, your wave 3 is very short, 4 and a 5. It's not allowed to have the shortest wave between 1, 3, and 5 to be 3. Of course, it's not allowed. This is invalidation, and then you have 3 waves down. Of course, correction is fine, but here also we don't have any kind of 5 waves. We have 3 waves, and then correction, and then 3 waves, which make it, of course, a zigzag. And again, correction, and also here it is the only place where we see 5 waves consecutive. But yeah, after this we are looking, of course, for lower prices, signaling that this is not a bullish scenario. Now, what is this thing now after this this massive trend? So yeah, it's hard to say, but I think this is a correction, guys. It's still, maybe it is still a part of the wave 2, but yeah, if we want to take this as ABC and then ABC, and yeah, probably this is a wave Y where you have already a WXY, maybe, right? But why we gonna need a WXY after a big correction? This is a question, right? So very weird price action, to be honest. Link was not ready, to be honest. Was not ready for such a pump. And as you can see, he was ready to move down, and he was already very close to invalidate this diagonal so far to the downside, right? Where we saw kind of like very low prices. However, it is very clear that Link was not ready for that pump, and suddenly now it has started. Now, okay, what should we do with this? I think with Link it would be much better to wait, because as you can see, this pump has started directly, right, without even any significant 1, 2, because this is of course higher. Your wave 2 took the low, and definitely this cannot be something like impulsive. I believe this is a wave Y after a W and then X possibly, or X even, and then Y. So that might be still a corrective wave, and in that case scenario, I would come back to the daily daily bearish scenario, guys, where we are looking possibly to a wave B. Yeah, so your wave B might still be unfolding, okay, for a longer correction here. And by all means, you still have a, okay, yeah, you already got here kind of 3 waves down, and then now you get 3 waves up, and then of course continuation towards the downside to finish your wave C. So to be honest, this is what I can figure out from this. Otherwise, we have to wait to see what is gonna unfold behind this pump here, and after invalidation, of course, of the diagonal as a start. Now, yeah, one idea could be that the bullish scenario has started already just from that wave here. Starting from this point, it can be only a formation of a wave 1, right? In that case scenario, we have to wait, of course, for a wave 2, and then continuation towards the upside to confirm that yes, this is a wave 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, and this was a part of the correction in the wave 2. So yeah, that was it for Link, and I hope that you like the content. I know that it's not very clear for Link, but the price action is very, very tricky, and we cannot give something outside the rule of Elliott waves. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.